Choosing the right random orbital polisher is not easy. Many models suffer from low power, uneven polishing, overheating, or uncomfortable handling during long sessions. A good polisher should deliver smooth, dual-action movement, stable speed control, and safe finishing for car paint, wood, or metal surfaces without swirl marks. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best random orbital polishers for DIY and professional use in 2026. We analyzed performance, durability, and real user feedback. All product links are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews.
Number 5. DEKO DKOS32 XL125. The DEKO DKOS32 XL125 is a budget-friendly 320-watt random orbit sander designed for home DIY and light carpentry work. It delivers up to 14,000 RPM for fast material removal while still maintaining controlled finishing. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during long use, and its built-in dust collection system helps keep the workspace clean. Ideal for wood sanding, surface prep, and small polishing tasks, this tool is best for beginners or casual users who want reliable performance at an affordable price point.
Number 4. BATOCA S4 Cordless Polisher. The BATOCA S4 is a cordless random orbital car polisher designed for full mobility without cables. It comes with dual 2.0 amp lithium batteries, allowing extended polishing sessions on vehicles. With 3mm and 12mm throw options, it supports both fine finishing and deeper correction work. The wireless design makes it easy to use in tight or outdoor spaces. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, it is ideal for car detailing beginners or mobile detailers who need flexibility and convenience in polishing tasks in car care. Number 3. MAXXT Brushless Orbital Sander. The MAXXT AMT Brushless Orbital Sander features a powerful brushless motor designed for long-lasting performance and low maintenance. It supports 2.5mm and 5.0mm orbit options, making it suitable for both fine polishing and heavy sanding tasks. The 220-volt direct power supply ensures stable performance without power drops. Its dust-free design improves visibility and keeps the workspace cleaner. Built for durability, this model is ideal for professionals or serious DIY users who need consistent power and smooth finishing results on wood or painted surfaces. Number 2. AUTIWOZ W01 Dual Action Polisher. The AUTIWOZ W01 is a 630-watt dual-action random orbital polisher designed for car paint correction and waxing. With a 125mm 5-inch backing plate and 6-speed adjustable control, it allows precise handling for different polishing stages. The ergonomic body design ensures comfortable grip during long detailing sessions. It delivers stable orbit motion, reducing swirl marks while enhancing paint shine. This machine is ideal for auto enthusiasts and professionals who want strong performance with smooth, safe polishing results on vehicle surfaces. Number 1. SPTA 5-inch Random Orbital Polisher. The SPTA 5-inch Random Orbital Polisher is a highly versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals. It includes a 125mm backing plate with additional 6-inch pad support for wider coverage. The dual-action mechanism ensures swirl-free finishing, while the adjustable speed control allows precise polishing, waxing, or buffing. Its balanced design reduces vibration and improves control during long sessions. Ideal for car detailing, paint correction, and surface finishing, this model delivers consistent performance and excellent results on various surfaces. Random orbital polishers make detailing easier, safer, and more professional looking. From budget DIY tools to advanced dual-action machines, these 5 options cover every need. Whether you're polishing cars or prepping surfaces, you'll find a reliable choice here. Which one do you prefer?